Hello everyone, I'm Pearl Sai, and in this video, we'll talk about how organizations in the Philippines have successfully used a strategy called the Balance Scorecard. The Balance Scorecard helps organizations keep track of how well they're doing from different perspectives. Let's get started. Let's begin with Jollibee Foods Corporation, the biggest fast food chain in the Philippines. Jollibee wanted to make sure that their performance matched their goals, so they decided to try the Balance Scorecard strategy. Jollibee Foods Corporation started in 1978 and has become very popular in the Philippines and even in the other countries. People love their diverse menu and Filipino-inspired dishes. Jollibee wanted to measure how well they were doing in different areas to make sure they were on track with their goals. The Balance Scorecard helped them to do that. To be financially successful, Jollibee measured things like how much money they were making, how profitable they were, and how much they were getting back from their investments. This helps them make smart decisions about things like prices, cost, and expanding their business. Jollibee cared about making their customers happy and loyal. They measured things like customer satisfaction, how much customers liked their food, and how much of the market they had. This helped them improve their products and services to meet what their customers wanted. Jollibee wanted to make sure that their operations were smooth and efficient. They measured things like the quality of their food, how well their process were making, and how they managed their supply chain. This helped them provide a great experience for their customers. Jollibee believed in learning and growing. As a company, they measured things like how satisfied their employees were, how much training they got, and how much they focus on innovation. This helped them attract and keep talented people and ensured the company to grow and come up with new ideas. Now let's talk about a government agency that used the Balance Scorecard strategy. The Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI. The DTI wanted to improve how they did things and achieve their economic and stakeholder goals. The Department of Trade and Industry helps with economic growth and trade development in the Philippines. They create policies and programs that support businesses and stakeholders. The DTI wanted to measure how well they were doing from different perspectives to make sure they were doing a good job and meeting their economic goals. The Balance Scorecard helped them to do that. The DTI measured things like economic growth, trade development, and investment promotion. This helped them see how their policies and initiatives affected the Philippine economy. The DTI wanted to make their process better. They measured things like how efficient their regulations were, how well they enforced them, and how much they focus on research and development. This helped them work better and use their resources well. The DTI focused on helping their employees learn and grow. And encouraging innovation, they measured things like how much training employees got, how well they shared knowledge, and how much they focused on new ideas that helped them handle new challenges in the economy. In conclusion, the Balance Scorecard strategy has been successfully used by private companies and government agencies in the Philippines. Jollibee Foods Corporation and the Department of Trade and Industry have used this strategy to make sure they're doing well and reaching their goals.